I tried to do this book once. I was outside on the deck and it didn't work because my internet decided to poop out on me. So I got halfway through the book. I didn't know that I was halfway through the book and it dropped me. So I'm going to try it again. I'm going to read the whole thing over and do it all over again because I wanted to do this science experiment with you to go with my book. So this is called Pete the Cat and the Super Cool Science Fair by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat and the Super Cool Science Fair by Kimberly and James Dean. Hope you all see. Look, Pete has his calendar. Look, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Are you keeping a calendar at your house? We used to do calendar every day at school, but we haven't been able to do it, of course, so hopefully you're keeping your calendar going. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. Look, he's in his pajamas. He's reading a magazine that says Science Rocks. I was going to make Pete the Cat mask. I haven't got around to doing that yet, but I will. I promise. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it. Look, there's the bus. There's his friend. He's on his way to school. He's going to the schoolhouse now. Yeah. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? They're going to have to come up with a project. What do you think Pete should do? That's a good idea. Oh. Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano? Asked Gus. Whoa, they all say. Volcanoes are awesome. Do you want to make a volcano? It's pretty messy. That's a lot of fun. I was going to try it outside, but my outside time got messed up. That's all right. I'll do it inside. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientist like a cookie? She asks. They all raise their hands. The cookies are warm and gooey. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspaper, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. What do you think the secret ingredient's going to be? You see their directions on their book there? I don't know. Pete and Gus mix the glue and the water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. Oh, do you know what that's called? It's called papier-mâché. It's French. Yeah. You cover this item with newspaper strips or paper strips and glue, white glue, or you could even use flour and water, or your salt dough, but use a lot more water than you normally do. Like if you're making dough, you want it to be squishy, right? Well, if you're just making paper mache, you just need like the flour and the water and a little bit of salt, and you don't need as much flour. You can just make it that way. But glue is a great thing, and really, really should probably use glue. Look at all the stickers in this book. Guess what? This book I got from the science fair at Goddard. So when we go back to school, I can read it to you guys at school. Look at all the stickers. Are you excited? Maybe we can play with the stickers. I don't know. Oh no, the paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find brown paint anywhere. Wait a minute. This is brown. Somebody put blue paint in the brown container. Man. That's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, says Pete. Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds the vinegar. Nothing happens at first. What do you predict is going to happen? I don't know. Let's see. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-fives each other, but the lava is still coming out, and soon it's a huge mess. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. Well, they know it works, right? But look at the mess. Man, there's lava everywhere. Yikes. When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they see all the other Ruby experiments. They all look pretty awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in jars. Ooh, have you ever made rock candy? That's a fun experiment. Emma and Marty made slime. Who likes to make slime? It's fun, isn't it? We don't stand a chance, says Gus. Don't worry, we have a secret ingredient, says Pete. What do you think the secret ingredient might be? I don't know. At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt, says Pete. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. Oh boy, what happens when the vinegar goes in there? Do you remember? Oh my goodness, look! A second later, glitter lava gushes out and everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Look at that. They put glitter in the solution. That's stuff in with the baking soda and the vinegar and the soap. Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. Coolest experiment at the science fair. They got a big trophy for being the best. They got a prize. Coolest experiment. So, I have some ingredients here. Hopefully you watched a video that I did, well, that I shared earlier on this page about how to make a volcano. So I have some baking soda. You see that? And I have some dish soap. Yep. And I have the vinegar. Yep. And I also brought food coloring because I wanted to make my volcano colored. Now I've already put some, well, there's some vinegar in this bottle. I have flowers I painted on the bottle. It was boring. And I already have some vinegar in this bottle too. But I wanted to do something extra to that skitty bottle. I put some baking soda in a balloon. Because you know what comes out when the volcano starts up? What comes out is bubbles. And what's inside bubbles? Air, right? Carbon dioxide, air. And it's going to fill up my balloon. At least I hope so. So, I hope you can still see. I'm going to try it. All right, let me move this chair out of the way. All right. So I used a funnel, see? And the funnel I used to put the vinegar in the bottles. So I'm doing it over the sink because I don't want it to splash all over the place. So in this one, I'm going to put my baking soda in there, but I want it to be colored. I want my volcano to be colored like Pete's. So I'm going to put in some red, I think. I hope you guys can see that. I put some red in my volcano. Or maybe a little bit of red and orange, I don't know. So I'll put a little bit of red in there. There we go. Alright. And I'm going to put, oh yeah, the dish soap. I'll put a few drops of dish soap to make it bubbly, right? Yeah. Should I put some dish soap in this one too? What color should I put in the other one? Should I match the balloon? Maybe I'll put blue in there that matches the balloon. Think so? Alright, let me put some blue in this one. Doop, doop, doop. There we go. So that one has blue in it. Can you guys see that? Like, here's the red one. That's going to be my volcano. And this one is the one that's going to fill up the balloon. So, let me see. I'm going to put this on here on the top of the bottle. I hope this works. Alright, what's in here? Well, I put baking soda in there. Watch. Oh, it's going to blow up the balloon. It's a good thing it's over the sink. Look! Look at it go! Do you see it? Oh, man. That was pretty cool. You think I should do the red one now? Well, I don't have a balloon for the red one. It's just going to have to go in with my funnel. So let me get this guy out of the way. Oh, he's still going. Blub, 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 blub. I did this over the sink. It's a good thing. I was going to do it outside. Well, I didn't do it outside. Would you like to see it closer this time? All right, let's see. How about I put the baking soda, I put my finger on the bottom of the funnel. I put my finger on the bottom of the funnel to cover it up. And I'm going to put in my baking soda. All right. Okay, let's see. And I'm actually going to bring my phone over here so you guys can see it better. All right, hang on. Here I come. I'm picking you up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Careful. Oh, boy. Okay, can you see me? Okay, here we go. I'm going to put it in. Here we go. Oh, boy. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Oh, here it comes. Well, that's the slowest volcano ever. Oh, there it is. Oh, my goodness. Boy, the dish soap really adds an extra element, doesn't it? Look at that. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I wonder if oh, wow, look, it's still going. Look at it go. Blurp, 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 blurp. Man, I didn't know the dish soap would make it so much more exciting. It sure does. Wow, it just keeps going and going like a pink nightmare. Look at that. Bright pink. Oh, and it's a good thing I put it in a strainer over the sink because it's dripping all over the place. This is a fun thing to do outside, but I tried to do it outside, but I got disconnected from the internet. I'm sorry about that. That's all right. Look at it go. It just keeps going and going and going. I had no idea the dish soap would be so much more fun. I'm going to have to remember that. So let's see. What did we use? We used food coloring. Make it different colors. All right. And we used baking soda. Yep. And we used dish detergent. Yep, yep. And we used vinegar. Good old-fashioned vinegar. I think you can also use lemon juice. So if you guys want to make a volcano, you might want to do it outside. Or maybe Mom will let you do it in the kitchen if it's a rainy day. All right, guys. Thanks for coming to see me. I'm sorry that I can't see you. I miss you terribly. You like my shirt? I wanted to do Zumba today, but my Zumba class isn't going. So I did Zumba at home all by myself. So you have fun doing science and do some Zumba. Get outside and enjoy the fresh air. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.